hot out there. It's going to last for some time, is it?
Well, here's the thing. We have the excessive heat warnings, the heat advisories. Once those expire tonight, at least right now, knock on wood, we're going to be talking about them not being reissued for tomorrow. That said, if you are still somebody that suffers from respiratory issues, heat-related illnesses, we're still going to be in the 90s for a good portion of the week ahead. And even when we slip into the 80s, the humidity is up.
Okay.
So it's summertime, but we're going to finally get off of the excessive heat for at least a little bit of time.
Into the normal heat.
Yeah, I'd say the normal heat, the average heat. What is normal, right? Let's walk over to the wall, show you exactly what's happening. Clouds and radar right now, and showing that we actually had a couple of areas of thunderstorms. They started to develop off the shore of Delaware. Didn't quite make it past Cape May. Had a couple drops there, but that's it. Most of us are looking at pretty dry conditions, and that will continue as we head into the next couple of hours. So we're not expecting much in the way of rain. And listen, if you get underneath a shower, a quick non-severe rumble of thunder, consider yourself lucky. It might be the only way to cool off if you're spending time outside. Currently, it is 6:15 at night. We're talking about 95 degrees in Philadelphia, 89 degrees in Millville, 90 in Dover, Lancaster 94. It feels more like the low 100s, and that's why we have the heat advisory in orange, the excessive heat warning in effect for us. You can see much of Jersey, Philadelphia, and Delaware all the way through 8 o'clock tonight. Down the shore, Sunday, not a bad idea to get down there. A little bit more cloud cover, but a high temperature of 86 degrees. One good thing is that we're finally starting to see those water temperatures warm a little closer to 70. I'm going to switch gears real quick. Let's talk about Tropical Storm Beryl. As of 5 o'clock this evening, 60-mile-per-hour winds moving west-northwest. The track on this will take it into the Gulf and likely hit into areas between Corpus Christi and Galveston as a Category 1 hurricane late Sunday night into the wee hours of the morning on Monday. Winds around 85 miles per hour. I'm worried about storm surge and the possibility that we could be looking at rainfall rates between 1 and 3 inches per hour. It moves inland by the time we get into the early in the week as just a cluster of very heavy thunderstorms. We could be looking at, in some cases, 5 to 7 inches of rain. Now for us, we're not expecting anything from Beryl. We are expecting heat to continue this evening, back down tonight, only in the 80s by 10 o'clock for most areas. And while we could squeeze out a sprinkle or two, as I said, it's not likely. Sunday starts off kind of sultry and muggy. There is certainly more cloud cover, especially the first half of the day. And again, a sprinkle or two not out of the question. Most of us still in the 90s, 80s at the shore, but not nearly as oppressively hot as today. Monday starts off once again 60s to the north, 70s. We likely will see a chance for a couple of showers popping up Monday, and that's going to start the week of unsettled weather. Tomorrow, 94 degrees, clouds, some sunshine, hot, humid, not as bad as today, and maybe a thunderstorm. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast now. As I talked about, not nearly as oppressive, but we stay on the hot side all the way through Tuesday, still in the 90s. We do slip into the 80s this week, and you will feel that difference. But take a look. Starting Monday, Tuesday, and really starting to ramp up Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, a chance each and every day of those summertime thunderstorms. Aziza?
Thank you, Andrew.